So I'm just editing this video that you're about to watch, and we shot it in May, so just as we had moved into the van, which I think explains why my level of excitement is on another level. I sound like I've never seen trees before, so just warning you about that. I think it just shows how difficult lockdown was really, and how excited I was just to be in a different location, seeing new things. But yeah, my fascination at some snails in a pond is something else, so feel free to laugh at me, it's absolutely fine. I still stand by it being a beautiful place that we found. It was unexpected, so yeah, have a watch and be nice in the comments.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
So we're just walking through this park where we've parked near, and I just went on a little walk by myself and had to go get Tanaka because there's some really cute little like secret passageways with like beautiful trees. So I'm taking him. Are you excited to see the nature treasures that I found?
Sure.
And we're going to show you as well. So here, looks like we're getting to the end, doesn't it, Tanaka?
Yeah, it is.
But oh no, there's more.
There
Just
is.
you wait and see.
Okay, there is more.
Yeah,
Okay,
there's
let's see
more.
then.
Just watch.
Yeah, I'm watching.
Here is the opposite entrance. And I was thinking, oh, maybe I'll walk around the block. But then, oh my gosh, what's this little opening here? Say that again?
Entrance to a hidden gem.
Oh yeah. Let's go. This way or this way?
Which way?
Main path or this way?
Main path.
Main path. Don't you want to see what's in this corner?
Which one did you take?
Let's go this way. Let me see. Let me show you what I saw. Beautiful blossom. I just think it's so interesting that someone's made this little like zone here.
Yeah.
It's like a little zone to hang out in.
Yeah. Smells nice.
Someone like, it smells nice, yeah, the blossom.
Mm.
Let's go smell it. Let's go smell it.
No, that's not what I'm smelling.
Yeah, it is. Take a deep breath. Right in the flower.
No, that's not what I'm smelling.
Oh, maybe it's this white one then. Maybe it's this white one.
Yeah.
Oh, butterfly. Don't know if you can see the butterfly on the film. Well, the blossom still smells nice. Oh yeah, I think it is this. Whoa!
No, that's not it.
Does it smell nice though?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, it smells good.
Okay.
You can smell it out here, but you can't smell it close in.
No.
Let's go around here. Oh, I just love it when there's blossom on the floor, don't you? So pretty.
Yeah, that's what I'm smelling.
That's the one, is it?
Yes.
That's the same as the other one, it's just different
I don't
variety, I
smell
think.
anything, yeah.
Oh yeah, so good.
So that's what I'm smelling.
So nice. Right, this is the gate I'm excited about. Have a look at what's in here, Chinaka.
Okay.
It's very... I just think it's amazing.
Yeah.
Like, in a public park to have this. Come on. Like, explore to get in. It's a pond. With like somewhere to sit down. That's so nice. It's like a wild pond. I need to get my nose. Look at these cute lily pads. And what I did oh, actually, look at this. Look at these. This is what I was excited about. I'm not normally into insects, but I just thought this was really cool. Look at all these like snails. Can you see? I think I counted like 10 earlier in this like area. And that one over there, it's like crazy like red. I've never seen a red snail, have you?
No.
I was just watching them for ages, like they're so nice and slow. And like this one is like on the water now. This is the pace of life we should go at, isn't it, Chinaka? Nice and slow. Just hanging out. Look at this one here with its like grass growing on its shell. Here, there's like these, I don't know what they are.
Zoom in even more.
How do I do that? Tap it.
Press and hold and not there. On the
Okay, you do it then. Can you see where I mean? These like
I see it.
Crazy mini eel fish things.
See?
Oh right, okay.
What am I looking at?
Oh, they're kind of getting into the dark bits now. But like there's these long eel type things. Look at this, look, there's even a cute signpost saying Meadow Pond. That's where we've just been. Now let's go find the community orchard. Let's go find the community orchard.
Okay.
And this here, this looks like it's the community orchard. What a lovely thing. I don't think there's any fruit yet, but I just think this is so lovely that this community has like decided to make this in their park. Don't you think so, Chinaka?
Yeah.
So nice. I just thought it was a play park, but then there's all this like, all these little, what am I trying to say? All these like secretive pathways that take you into these little zones that someone's like designed, and I just think that's probably been a really nice community project. I think every town should have one of these.
Yep.
face of it, this just looks like a normal play park in the background there, but we explored it and found some hidden gems.
Okay, and if you haven't subscribed, click on the subscription button below and give us a thumbs up, comment what you like about it, and we'll see you next week.
So we have parked the van near some roadworks. It's a long story as to why we're there. Janaka's working, and it was all just feeling a bit noisy for me, hearing drilling and being in the van. So I've just come out for a walk, looked at where there was some green on the map around me, and 10 minutes walk away there's this beautiful nature reserve. We're in Bromborough outside Liverpool, and this is just another great example of some nature being in the middle of a city, which I think is great. So just walking through these like lovely paths under these trees, I can barely hear the traffic. I could be anywhere, so I'm really enjoying finding this. Well, that was worth doing. It was so good to get outside. I was literally doing my sewing earlier and I made a huge mistake. I've got to unpick lots of stuff. And Janaka was like, why don't you just go outside? And I was like, oh, it's nasty, but it's nasty around here because all I can see is roadworks. I'll show you what I can see out of my window, hang on. Roadworks out of that window. You can see the cones there. Out the front. Literally just, yeah, on a road. So it was good to go outside, get some fresh oxygen and look at some beautiful things and yeah, feel better. So you never know what you might be close to, what might be in your city or in your area. So I'm loving finding nature in cities. Just take a bit of a break out of the van and I feel better for it. So it's good.